Hello students, today we will discuss chapter number 26 of GK. Common ailments. A disease is a condition that disturbs the proper functioning of the body or some of its parts. ये कुछ डिजीज़ ऐसे कंडीशंस प्रोवाइड करती है जिससे हमारी पूरी बॉडी काम करना बंद कर देती है. ऐसी कई डिजीज़ हैं. तो हम इस चैप्टर में किसका क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? डिजीज़. आइडेंटिफाई द डिजीज़ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ क्लूज प्रोवाइडेड. ऑल आर क्लूजेस. सो फर्स्ट वन इज लैक ऑफ प्रोटीन कॉज. विच डिजीज़? आइडेंटिफाई द डिजीज़ when lack of protein. Kwashiorkor. So you will write here F. Lack of red blood cells causes which disease? Anemia. So you will write here E. Lack of insulin causes diabetes. You will write here B. The joints became swollen and painful. Which disease? Arthritis. So you will write here D. Difficulty in breathing, asthma. So you will write here H. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets. So you will write here A. Female Anopheles mosquito can cause malaria. So you will write here C. Female Aedes mosquito can cause dengue. So you will write here G. This is the exercise A. Now exercise B given below is list of common disease. All are common disease. Write the name of the organs that are affected by these disease with the help of clues given below. There are so many diseases, but in this exercise you have to write name of the organs that are affected by these disease. First is eczema. Eczema. Which organ affected by eczema? Skin. So you will write here E. Jaundice. Which organ affected by jaundice? Liver. Now dysentery. Which organ was affected by dysentery? Intestine. So you will write here F. Conjunctives. Eyes. You will write here C. Tuberculosis. Which organ will affected by this disease? Lungs. Sinusitis. Nose. Sinus. This is like a sinus. A. Nose. Meningitis. D. Brain. Tonsils. Throat. G. So these all are disease affected organs. This is the exercise number A and this is the exercise number B. From 27 to 31 chapters are brainwaves chapters. So we will start chapter number 27. Find out. Read the information given carefully. Answer the following questions. So first we will write here. There are 5 friends. They are standing in a row. Each of them is facing south. Salman is standing to the immediately right of the Vikas. So Salman कहाँ है? विकास के right में. Means Vikas is here, then Salman. Now Raj is standing between Yash and Aman. Raj is standing between Yash or Aman. And Aman is standing between Raj and Salman. Vikas, V for Vikas, S for Salman, A for Aman, R for Raj, Y for Yash. First clue is Salman is standing to immediate right of Vikas. Means Salman is here and Vikas is here. And Raj is standing between Yash or Aman. Or Aman is standing between Raj or Salman. Now we will solve this quiz according to this. Okay. Who is standing at the extreme right end? Tell children, who is extreme right end? Yash. So you will take on Yash. Who is standing in the middle? Who is standing in the middle? Aman. Okay. Who is standing between Vikas and Aman? Who is standing between Vikas or Aman? Salman. So you will take on Salman. Okay. This is the exercise A. Now circle the odd one out in each set. Newspaper, magazine, comics, box. Of course box. So circle on box. This is the odd one. October, Wednesday, March, December. All are months and this is the weekday. Okay. So circle on Wednesday. Odia, Bengali, Mahabharat, Punjabi. All are languages and this is the Mahabharat. So circle on Mahabharat. Mumbai, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Mumbai. Okay. Cobbler, cricket, hockey, tennis. Cobbler. India, Japan, Sri Lanka, London. London. Bus, car, aeroplane, train. Aeroplane. Okay, circle the odd one out in each set. Now exercise C. Complete the series. Students, ये आपको अपने तरीके से करना है, अपने आप सॉल्व करना है. Here dot is here, then plus, again plus dot, then plus dot, then plus dot. Now plus will come here, plus dot, then plus dot. Okay, same like this. Fill dot. Now right fill dot, down fill, now again down, then fill. Now here. Okay, here you will fill, then dot, and here or here you will fill. Okay. Now arrow, triangle, arrow, triangle, arrow, triangle. Semicircle, again, then up, down, up. Okay. Complete the series. Now take the odd one. Stars, hashtag, @ then $sign. Which symbol is different? Odd one, hashtag. Here opposite, similar, opposite, odd one. Fan, table fan. Now folding fan. Which one is odd? This one. Okay. Here 3 and here 4. This one is odd. This is the exercise C or D. Okay children, so complete the exercise according the video. Now students, we start chapter number 28, test your IQ. Okay, so first is fill in the blanks. 240 minutes is equal to dash hours. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now in 240 minutes equals to how many hours? 4 hours, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now 60 multiplied by 4 is equals to 240. That means answer is 4 hours. Second one is half past 8 in the morning is written as dash. So we will write here 8:30 a.m. a.m. means morning. Third one is 4 years 3 months equals to dash months. 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 12 4 ja 48. 48 plus 3 months. How many months total? 51 months. So you will write here 51. 6 weeks 4 days. 1 week equals to 7 days. So 6 week equals to 46 days. Sum of 5 years 3 months and 2 years 9 months equals to how many months? 5 years 3 months and 2 years 9 months. Total 96 months are there. Okay. Next, number of minute in 1 day is equals to 1440. 178 seconds is equals to how many minutes or seconds? 2 minutes or 58 seconds, because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 2 minutes equals to 120 seconds or 58 seconds. 5 hours before 2:30 p.m. is equals to 9:30 a.m. Number of days from Independence Day to Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day on 15th August or Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Number of days from Independence Day to Gandhi Jayanti. Total 49 days. Okay children, this is the exercise A. Now we will do exercise number B. Study the following diagrams and fill in the missing numbers. Okay, this is one circle and numbers are given here. First is 1, 4, 6, 7, 5, 20, 30. Now this box is blank. So first we will multiply cross. Okay, 1 5 ja. Okay, 4 5 ja. 6 5 ja 30. 1 5 ja 5. 4 5 ja 20. 6 5 ja 30. 7 5 ja 35. So you will write here 35. Okay. Now second number is 2, 4, 6, 8. That means this is the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8. Now second, which table it is? 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 4 4 ja 16. Now 5's table 6, and this is the 8's table. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. 8 3 ja 24. 8 4 ja 32. So like this you have to complete this table also. Okay children, now exercise number C. If D stands for 1, I stands for 2, S for 3, A for 4, G for 5, and R for 6, E for 7, B for 8, and L for 9. Some letters mentioned with the number. Okay, so what does the code 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9 7 stands for? 1 stands for D. So first we will write here D. 2 stands for I. We will write here I. 3 S. 4 A. 5 G. 6 R. 7 E. Again 7 E. 8. Then 4. 4 A. 8 B. 9 L, or last one is 7. 7 E. Okay, so which word it is? Disagreeable. Okay, according these numbers. Disagreeable. Okay. Now exercise D. What comes next? 8689, 8678. Now what comes next? 8667. Now 10 difference, okay? 8656, 8645. Now second one is 848, 424, 212. Now what comes next? 106, then 53. So children, complete your exercise.